When Lexus debuts its new all-electric supercar, with a name that has yet to be decided, it'll be the spiritual successor to the legendary LFA. Here's a quick refresher. The LFA Coupe was made largely of carbon fiber composite and featured a 553 HP V10. Obviously, the EV supercar won't have an exotic internal combustion engine. Instead, its incredible performance will come courtesy of powerful electric motors. While Lexus has revealed very few details, the company says the follow-up to the LFA can reach 60 mph in the low 2-second range, with a solid-state battery packaged within its sleek bodywork, which looks like a McLaren 720s had a baby with a Toyota Supra. The Lexus EV Supercar is said to have 430 miles of range. This concept gives a good idea of what to expect. Heading towards a future with a lineup composed entirely of electric vehicles, Lexus has revealed a concept of an all-electric supercar that's a perfect flagship for its electrified performance models. It hasn't officially been named, but Lexus has been calling it Electrified Sport for now. The price of the 2025 Lexus EV Supercar is expected to start around $100,000. Back in 2012, Lexus built 500 LFA models and priced each at a cool $350,000. While we're told the brand's EV Supercar is heavily influenced by that limited production special, we're hopeful it's neither as expensive nor as exclusive. Still, we can only speculate on its starting price, and we'd wager that it's at least 6 figures. For now, it's referred to only as the Lexus Electrified Sport, and it carries the expected claims for lightning-fast acceleration and a long driving range. Lexus says the car will accelerate to 60 mph in the low 2-second range, which would certainly beat the LFA, and it could have solid-state batteries providing 430 miles of range. There's no word yet on horsepower, but we think its electric motors need to offer somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,000 ponies.